In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Gmail search operators. These powerful tools can help you easily manage your inbox by filtering and locating emails based on various criteria. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to search through your emails like a pro, saving time and improving your productivity. Let's start by opening Gmail. Once you're logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page, which is your go-to spot for executing Gmail search commands. Now, I want you to visualize this search bar as a detective's magnifying glass. It is going to help you sift through your entire email history with precision. A basic search can be simple, like typing a name or keyword related to the email you're looking for. But the real power comes when you use search operators. One of the simplest operators is from, which allows you to search for emails from a specific sender. For instance, if you type from john@example.com in the search bar, Gmail will display all emails sent by John. Next up, you have the to operator. This one works similarly, but it helps you find emails that were sent to a specific person. For example, using to manager@example.com will pull up all emails you've directed to your manager. Handy, right? Another useful operator is subject, which, as you might guess, is extremely helpful when you're trying to locate emails about a particular topic. Let's say you're looking for emails about a project. You can type subject.projectplanning, and Gmail will give you emails with those keywords in their subject lines. That's just the beginning. When you add label to your search query, you'll be presented with emails under a particular Gmail label, a great way to quickly find organized emails. For example, label work will get you all the emails you've tagged under work. Let's talk about older emails. If you want to find emails from a certain period, the before and after operators will be your best friends. Typing before 2023-10-01 will show all emails received before October 1st, 2023. Alternatively, after assists in retrieving messages after a given date. You might also want to clear some clutter. For this, the operator has attachment will filter emails containing attachments, letting you sort through and delete unwanted emails quickly. This is especially practical for freeing up space in your inbox. Finally, it's worth mentioning you can chain operators together for more precise results. For instance, from john@example.com, subject, meeting, after 2023-01-01, will locate all meeting-related emails from John after January 1st, 2023. There you have it, a simple but comprehensive guide to mastering Gmail search operators. With these tips, you can manage your inbox more effectively and make finding emails a breeze. Happy emailing!